How to install VS Code, Windows Edition. What is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code, referred to as VS Code, is a source code editor made by Microsoft. To get VS Code, we will first navigate to the VS Code website. We'll install VS Code and we'll get Python on VS Code. We'll finally run a basic command. Let's navigate to code.visualstudio.com. Once we're at code.visualstudio.com, you can click Download for Windows, the stable build. Studio Code setup will be downloaded. Click on it. There's going to be a license agreement. You can click I accept the agreement and then click the next icon. You can choose where you want to install it. It's only 350 megabytes. I will install it in where it's telling me to install. If you want a start menu folder, you can click next. You can add a desktop icon. Click next. You can click install. Now Visual Studio Code will extract the files and install them for you. Once the Visual Studio Code setup wizard is finished, you can click finish. You can get started with Visual Studio Code. You can choose the color to choose the look you want. You can browse color themes. I'm just gonna stick with dark plus. Next section. Learn the fundamentals. You can redefine your editing skills, but you can just click to the next section. And then you can mark done. Let's create a new file. Enter any file name. I'm gonna call it test.py because Python. Once you have test.py done, you can go to extensions. Search for Python. When you click on it, make sure it is by Microsoft. You can click install. It might ask you if you want to install the recommended extensions for Python. Click install. Once it is installed, you can go back to test.py. Once you're back at test.py, enter a simple command. Print. We're going to put parentheses and quotation mark, and then you can type hello world. Once you've typed hello world, you can click the play icon in the top right corner of your screen. If you get a terminal at the bottom and you see hello world, you have successfully installed Python and Visual Studio Code.